Hi, honeys. It's Michelle. I'm here today to, well, I'm here to talk to you, really, about what I think is a solution to a problem that my husband and I have had since about a year into our marriage. Well, I don't know if I should say it's a problem. It's an issue. It's something we've been trying to solve. I wasn't sure if I should film this. I wasn't sure if I should talk publicly about it or not, but I talked to Brad about it. He felt like it'd be okay to mention this to you guys. So here's the thing. We have a cat named Marty, and he is, there you are. Hi, Marty. He is full of life and excitement, and he's kind of like a toddler where he's just got this attention span that's very short, and he wants a lot of interaction. He wants paws on, you know. He wants us to play with him all the time and entertain him all the time, and it gets very exhausting trying to figure out what to do to entertain him. Not being a feline myself, I don't really know how to entertain him any more than I already do, and he seems to be quite the genius for a cat. I mean, he seems very smart. The things that he's figured out how to do, I've never seen or heard of a cat being able to do before. If there's a Mensa for cats, let me know. Maybe we should put him in there. Maybe he can hang out with other cats who are, you know, brilliant, and figure out ways to stimulate that big brain of his. But what we had done was a couple weeks ago, we got this robotic cricket, and he loves it, but he gets bored with it in about 3 minutes. So we had the idea to try some other options, and that's what this video is. I did an order from Chewy. It's chewy.com, and it's some toys that are meant to stimulate a cat's brain and creativity and all that kind of stuff. So we'll see if it works. I mean, the worst that could happen is this stuff doesn't work. It's a huge box right here, right? I mean, this is a good sized box. And if I can get some footage of him between now and when I post this video playing with any of these toys, I will, so that you can see what you think, and maybe this is stuff that you'll want for your own cats. And this is not sponsored, by the way. Nobody is paying me to do this, but I've noticed I get a lot, well, I think it's a lot, of offers to do collaborations, videos with different companies or customers, or do videos for them where they send me something free and I do a video or whatever. But it's always stuff that I have no interest in ever trying, more or less, on this channel, and stuff that is not relevant to the channel at all. Sometimes I wonder how they even find me. So I got this here. It's called the Buggin' Out Puzzle and Play. So what you do is, my thought was this is probably kind of like the game at the arcade where you bop the weasel on the head and then more weasels pop up. I think it's kind of like that, except at a certain point cat treats come out, and that's why it's so exciting for the cats. It says that you put treats in the cups. Maybe I should take this out so we can try to see. And it says this is an intermediate toy, so apparently they have advanced toys as well. Maybe I should have just gone straight to the advanced toy section. Now, I probably biased, but to me, it doesn't get smarter than this with cats. Like, he's so smart. I know, I'm probably biased, but... So here's what it looks like in person. Place treats in pegs to make game harder. Okay, so you put the treats in these, well, to make it harder, okay. Or, no, it looks like that's where you put them. I don't know why they're saying to make it more difficult when that's where they have them all the time, but, so, I guess you could put treats down here if you want to make it a little bit easier, but, so then as they're playing, they push this up and they push these around, and that's how they get the treats out. So this might keep Martin busy for a little bit. What do you think, Brad? Do you think Marty will like that? We put treats in here. Or you can put them in here and close the hatch. So he's got to... I think that'd be too easy for him.
Maybe.
But if we put them in the little red things, it won't be too easy. And I'll just put the prices up here. The price hopefully has already been up there for a while. I'm not seeing an order sheet that shows what I paid for these. So. Oh, here's my order sheet. Oh, it doesn't have prices on it. Okay. Then I got cat tower toy with butterfly. Includes one cat tower toy and replacement butterfly piece. I might have to put a picture of what it looks like. I'll put together up here because I think this is one that you put together unless it's easy. Let's see. Yeah, I gotta put this all together, but it's got the balls. It's... What do you do when your cat's a genius, but you might not be? Because that's how I'm feeling right now. I don't know. It's got these little butterflies in here that bounce around. And it's 3 layers in the end instead of 1. Okay. Then I found this. It's a Pull-A-Partz Catnip toy. So it looks like a Pinata. And there's 3 little, yeah, there's 3 toys in the Pinata that have catnip in them that he's got to pull out, which I thought was just super cute. I don't want to pull those out for him. I want him to be able to enjoy that himself the first time. Hopefully I get some footage of this for you, but then there's this. He really, I've noticed both of my cats, they don't really like the balls with the bells in them, and they don't really like, well, most of the cat toys they don't really care for. They don't mind those little mice that are covered in fur, the little ones. They like those, but they don't last very long. But the toys they really love are the ones like this that are made of like a canvas with catnip inside. So I thought they would probably love this. They're probably going to fight over it, but they love the canvas ones. These are the ones they go nuts over. So both of these are canvas. I think this will be really nice for them. And then the last thing I had seen, my mom actually had one of these that she got for her cat in one of her cat boxes that she does. It's called Big Mama's Making Biscuits Boogie Mat, Catnip Play Mat. And this one is shake it to spread the nip, toss it on your floor, and move on to step 2, which is letting your cat play with it. Okay. So here's the back of it. And here's the front. Isn't this cute? And then it's got this little ball here of, looks like cheese that they can play with. And it says something that I thought was kind of cute. It says, Nip Facts. Catnip is an herb in the mint family that after one whiff puts about 85% of cats into frolicsome bliss. The effects can last about half an hour. Then, as if nothing happened, your cat will stop and walk away. No one is exactly sure why, but scientists believe that something in your cat's brain simply shuts down after about 30 minutes and they can't smell this stuff anymore. But after a wink, a blink, and a meow, your cat will magically be drawn back and start the show all over again. Oh, that's so cute. All right, well, that is everything that we got at Chewy. Let me know what you thought of this kind of video. I'd be happy to show you further purchases when I do them. I don't really order from Chewy very often. Actually, this might be my first order ever. But if these toys work for him and give him more mental stimulation, I might be buying a lot more toys in the future because he needs something. The poor guy is bored. And if I have any footage of him playing with these, I will be sure to insert it here at the end of the video. You enjoying this mat, Martin? And now Zelda has discovered this mat as well. It's now the next day, and here's Zelda playing with this mat. Her and Marty both seem to be absolutely in love with it, so I don't know if I should get a second one. But she kind of likes cuddling with it and then bathing on it. Marty, he likes cuddling on it too, but he also likes playing with it. So they're responding a little bit differently to it. We haven't even opened the other toys yet because they're so into this one. I just haven't decided when to take the other ones out. I don't want any more fighting or anything to happen. So she's so cute though, isn't she? Little girl. Hi. You want to say hi? Yes. Now we've got big boy Marty here on the mat. It's just constant. One of them is always cuddling with it or playing with it. So if you have a cat or you have a cat that you buy gifts for, I would recommend getting this mat. You will not be disappointed. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day or night. I love you. Bye.